Hey friends, welcome to English Every Day, the podcast where we learn and practice real English together.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. Today we're talking about your morning routine.
Yes, how to talk about your morning, what you do after you wake up.
This lesson is easy and fun, perfect for beginners.
And don't forget, if you enjoy learning with us, hit like, follow, or subscribe. It really helps us grow and helps you keep learning.
Okay, let's get started.
So, Eric, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up. Let's say that together. I wake up.
Good. Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Right. For example, I wake up at 7.
Or, I wake up early on weekdays.
Do you use an alarm clock, Jessica?
Yes, I wake up at 6:30. My alarm goes beep, beep, beep.
Oh no, that sound wakes everyone up.
Friends, listen and repeat. My alarm goes off at 6:30. I wake up and stretch.
Nice. Stretching is a great word. It means you move your body after sleeping. Try this. I stretch my arms.
Very good. Let's review this mini part. Wake up. Alarm goes off. Stretch.
Okay. After I wake up, I get out of bed. That means I leave the bed, I stand up.
Yes, listen. I get out of bed slowly. Or, I get out of bed quickly.
Which one are you, Jessica?
Oh, slowly. I like to stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
Same here.
Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Let's practice together. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat it one more time, slowly.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Good job.
Now, I comb my hair. Can you say that? I comb my hair.
Perfect. Comb means to make your hair neat and clean.
Let's review. Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, comb my hair.
All right, now it's breakfast time.
Yes, my favorite part of the morning.
So, what do you eat for breakfast, Jessica?
Usually I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink coffee.
Nice. I drink tea in the morning.
Friends, listen and repeat. I make breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee.
Or you can say, I eat cereal. I drink juice. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Good examples. And you can add time words, like I eat breakfast at 8.
Or I eat breakfast before work.
Let's repeat together. I make breakfast at 8. I drink coffee before work.
Nice and simple. You're doing great.
Okay, after breakfast, I get dressed. That means I put on my clothes.
Yes. For example, I get dressed for work.
Or I get dressed for school.
Then I pack my bag. I take my laptop, my phone, and my keys.
Good one. I also pack my bag. I take my notebook and water bottle.
Now we're ready to go out. I go out means you leave the house.
Say it with us. I go out at 9. I go to work. I go to school.
Perfect.
Let's do a quick listening practice.
I wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I get dressed. I pack my bag. I go to work.
Very good. That's a full morning routine.
Now let's make it more personal. Jessica, what time do you usually get up?
I get up at 6:30. What about you?
I wake up at 7. Then I read the news for 10 minutes.
Oh, nice. I like to listen to music in the morning.
That's great practice. Listen to English songs too.
Yes. You can also say, I listen to music. I read the news. I check my phone.
Let's repeat. I check my phone in the morning. I listen to music while eating breakfast.
Perfect. You sound more natural now.
All right, friends. Let's review all the morning phrases from today.
Here we go. Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Comb my hair. Make breakfast. Eat breakfast. Get dressed. Pack my bag. Go to work or school. Listen to music. Check my phone.
Nice job. You did amazing today.
Remember, you can use these to describe your daily routine.
Now here's our question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments or send us a short voice message in English. We love hearing from you.
And don't forget to follow the podcast for new English lessons every week.
Have a beautiful morning, everyone, and keep practicing your English.
Bye for now.